Hello friends, in this video let us learn about exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry problems. But before going into exercise 8.3, let me teach you simple steps to solve prove that problems in trigonometry. First we have to select the side with more number of terms. For example, let us take a question. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosecant theta. We have to choose LHS first for solving the problem. And vice versa if the question is inversed. Or else let us take another example, like if we have cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sine square theta, obviously we have to start from the RHS side. If both sides are complicated, we can do it separately. Now, the second point. Convert all terms to sine and cos. Because we are comfortable with the basic trigonometric ratios. We can write cosecant as 1 by sine theta, secant as 1 by cos theta, tan theta as sine theta by cos theta, and finally cot theta as cos theta by sine theta. Then we have to prioritize by rationalizing the denominator. There should be no term inside a square root in the denominator. So we have to rationalize the denominator. Fourth one, be confident. Don't get frightened by seeing the question. All questions can be solved. Finally, we'll reach the answer. Fifth, solve as many problems as you can. Practice. So these are my go-to points to solve trigonometric prove that sums. Prove that sums of trigonometry. Now let us go to exercise 8.3 first question. First question is express trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. They have asked us to express these angles, these ratios in terms of cot A. Let us see for sin A first. Sin A. We know sin A is 1 by cosecant A. We also know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. By this we know that cosecant theta is root of 1 plus cot square theta. In this question we can keep as such the denominator because we are just here to represent and not solve and not prove. Okay. Now then tan A. Obviously we know tan A is 1 by cot A. Third sum is secant A. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Similarly we can get secant theta as root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. We can express tan theta as 1 by cot theta, root of 1 plus 1 by cot square theta, root of cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. That is root of cot square theta plus 1 by cot theta. So we can solve like this. Thank you. Happy learning.